Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Samsung Galaxy A20e, and first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. We are going to check the temperature with this application. So let's get this application with this icon. When the download is finished, we can simply open. Tap right here to accept everything that pops on the screen, and as you can see right now, the temperature of our battery we can find in this place. So as you can see, currently is 29.1 Celsius. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.